Which is your favorite Gothic subculture?
Old school of Goth.
Old school Goth.
Supposed to be traditional.
Casual Goth?
Yes.
This is casual Goth.
Maybe typical Goth.
Which one? Typical Goth. Okay.
Our punk Batcave.
Yeah, so post-punk definitely.
Gothic.
Yeah, this one is old school Goth.
Old school, yes.
Pastel, Gothic, voodoo, and
Voodoo Goth?
yeah, classic.
Classic Goth. You remind me a character from South Park.
Gothic.
You know the guy that smokes a cigarette? Yes, it's you. It's like a casual Goth.
Yeah.
We can say casual is a bit SM, a bit sado. It's a Gothic Lolita.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're not a Gothic Lolita, but you like the
I like the
inspiration.
style. Yes.
Yes.
Catholic dress code. Like Victorian vampire.
Yes. Lady Goth.
Yeah.
Little witch.
Keep this, Lady Goth, you are one. Super white dress code. What is this?
New wave,
New wave?
like from the 80s.
Like 20 years old.
New romantic. New romantic. Fetish rocker?
Bones Queen.
White Goth.
What Goth? Yeah.
Bones Queen.
Bones
Because
Queen.
of the bone.
Okay.
A bit more Victorian Gothic.
Victorian. This one is a typical Gothic Victorian.
Sure.
So it's a
Romantical.
outfit of today.
Hip hop!
Not really.
Victorian romantic Goth.
Yes, this is a Victorian romantic Goth. So this is like new romantic post-punk style. A bit of Victorian too. With does this
A little bit romantic and a little bit evil vampiric.
romantic Victorian chic Goth. DocumentARI.
High fashion. Gothic fashion. Heute macabre. Heute macabre.
Okay, so you totally represent it because you are a model and I am super your friend. Also, this guy is your friend.
Gothic inspiration.
And there is other ingredients.
It's like mix everything
Last
from
minute
the
Goth.
wardrobe. Yeah.
Last minute Goth.
Romantic Goth.
Romantic.
Romantic mix.
Classic Goth, a little bit. A mix.
Is it like Victorian romantic? Yes.
Yes, I
Classy Victorian Goth.
Yeah,
Traditional Gothic.
Chic Victorian Goth.
Right.
Okay, but also fetish.
little bit,
And
yes.
this fetish, yeah, this is fetish. I love it. So please also the back side. Ah, geile Haare.
Victorian.
So Victorian is typical Victorian.
Musicalmente, el Gothic rock es
Post-punk casual girl. I'm not so.
Casual, yeah, it's casual for you. Many kind of
Baroque.
Gothic. Baroque, okay. It's fetish.
A little bit.
Yeah, you can say fetish. It's not bad.
I would say fetish.
This makeup is called the Katrina. You know?
Yeah.
What is this? How do you call it?
Romantic.
New romantic, yeah? Romantic Goth. So it's like Batcave. This is Batcave.
Yeah, that's Batcave because it's a bat.
Fetish tribal Goth.
Englisch viktorianischen Zeitalter.
Yes, we find it. You make it?
Nein, das ist
Self-made.
alles self-made.
Yes, I thought so.
Ja.
One moment for the circumnavigation.
One moment. Super.
You can say Gothic Lolita?
Yeah.
The webnet over here, so definitely this is a Batcave. Orientalish Gothic Lolita are really sexy, so I like you. You are really a Gothic chick.
Yeah.
It's typical Victorian, new romantic Victorian, we can say. Schwarze Mode, yeah? Yeah. And the
Like normal.
Morticia Adams.
Victorian Gothic Victorian
The Adams family.
vampire?
Vampire.
Okay, so we are Victorian Morticia?
Yes. A Victorian German vampire.
Yes, you are. And Bunga Bunga Morticia, I can say.
Only crazy.
So this is crazy Goth.
It's crazy and I like it.
The last minute Goth.
I call it lazy.
Lazy? This is lazy Goth, yes.
Black metal.
Black metal,
Elegant Gothic.
Mad Max.
Elegant football player.
Yeah, so you are apocalyptical.
Hooligan.
Yeah. Wait.
Ribcage goes and hard hangover.
Okay, so it's a hangover Goth.
Yeah.
Classic Goth? This is classic Goth. Okay.
Mufti.
Think Batcave means that the hair are spiky up. It means that you use makeup or crossword, your nail or paint, sunglasses at night, like the song. So this is a traditional goth. I agree. All these people make this a super outfit in a tent, so deserves respect.
Bunga bunga.
Yeah, super.
Heute macabre.